Hey guys, welcome to my How to School YouTube channel, and in this video we will see how we can download and install the Google Chrome browser in Windows 10 operating system. Now if you want to install Google Chrome in your Windows 10 operating system, then you have two methods available. One is by downloading the setup file, and when you run the setup file that you have downloaded, it will download the actual Google Chrome installer and it will install it for you. Disadvantage of this method is you will not get the actual installation file. So if you want to install that Google Chrome browser in another PC, then you have to download it again. Or maybe if you want to reinstall it after some time, then you have to download it again. And there is another option available where we can download the Google Chrome installer and we can install it. In this method, we will get the actual installation file, which we can copy to another PC and we can install it in that PC. So we don't have to download it again and again in this case. So here I'm going to show you guys the both methods. I have freshly installed Windows 10 in my PC. So the first thing that I'm going to do here is I'm going to click on the start and I'm going to launch the Edge browser. So I'm going to click on that and it will launch the Edge browser. So the first thing that we do is we will open up the google.com, and here we will search in Chrome. Okay, now here the first link is google.com, then Chrome. So we will click on that, and here you guys can straight away see the download Chrome button. So if you click on this, then you have to accept the license. So I don't want to help Google Chrome to make it better by sending data or crash reports. So I'm going to uncheck this box, and if I click on this accept and install, now here in the bottom you guys can see it says what do you want to do with the Google Chrome setup.exe. So as I said before, this is the first method and it will download this setup file which is 1.1 megabytes large. So what we have to do is we have to download it and we have to run it. It will download the actual Google Chrome installer and it will install the Google Chrome in our PC. But I don't want to do this because I want to download the actual installation file. So that's why what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this cancel button. But if you want to install it in this way, then all you have to do is click on this run button and then you have to follow the instructions shown in the installer. Okay, now I'm going to click on this cancel here. And now what we want to do is we want to download the Google Chrome installer itself. So we will go to the Google again, and this time I'm going to search for Chrome offline installer. Now here you want to go to the website provided by Google. For example, if you look at here, the first link is from some other website. You don't want to go there. You want to go for this support.google.com. This is the actual Google website. So we will click on this, and here as you guys can see it is the Google Chrome help page, and it talks about how you can download and install Google Chrome. But here you can find an option called as install Chrome offline. I just want to click on this and I'm going to enlarge it, and here it says if you have a problem with downloading the setup file and installing the Google Chrome, then you can try the alternate Chrome installer, which is nothing but the actual installation file of the Google Chrome. And here you can read all these instructions, but the link to get the actual Chrome installer is this one, alternate Chrome installer. I'm going to click on that, and again it will take us to the same page as we have seen before. But if you look at the URL here, then it is just a bit different. And now if I click on this download Chrome, again I have to accept the license, and I'm gonna uncheck this box, and then if I click on this accept and install, this time if we look at here in the bottom, we get the Google Chrome standalone setup and it is 55.4 megabytes large. So I'm gonna save this file and it will start the downloading process. So as you guys can see, download is happening. Okay, now the download has finished. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna close this Edge browser. Now here we can open up the folder where we have downloaded the Google Chrome installer, which is in this downloads folder. And as you guys can see, we have the installer here. All I have to do is double click. It will start installing the Google Chrome, and that's it. We have installed the Google Chrome in our PC. So that's it guys, thank you for watching. If you like it, then hit the like button. If you don't like it, then hit the dislike button. If you want to say something, then write that in the comment box. For more tutorials like this, do subscribe to the channel.